Today we're going to do some baking and it's going to bake some cream puff. So this cream puff is so airy and it's so delicious. So let's start baking. Okay, here are the ingredients that you need in order to make a cream puff. We will be using 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of water, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. It's like 113.4 grams of butter. And then to that we will be needing 1 cup of all-purpose flour as well as salt. The salt is around like 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, so it's not gonna be sweet, as well as 4 large eggs. So that's the simple ingredients for this cream puff. Okay guys, in a medium heat, let's start to combine the butter, the milk, the water, the sugar, and the salt together. So what we'll do is to melt the butter, and then we'll have to make sure it got boiled before we do the next process, okay? So once the butter is melted, this is the mixture's color, so it turned into yellow. So however, continue stirring it until it boils. So once it got boiled, so we have to remove it from the heat, and we'll combine the flour afterward. Time to remove it from the heat, and we can add the flour, and we'll mix the flour with the liquid, and then we have to put it back again to in low heat in the stove. So as you can see here, continue stirring it, but you will see some film forming underneath the dough. So once it starts like that, it's ready. So you have to turn off the heat, and we can start to beat it with the egg afterwards. Okay, you will need a hand mixer for the next step. All right guys. By the way guys, I transfer my dough in a separate bowl before I beat it. So as you can see, I'll start beating it first, and then afterwards I can put 1 egg at a time. So there are 4 eggs that we're gonna add into the mixture. I'm going to put 1 egg first, and then mix it and beat it, and then do the next for the rest of the other egg, okay? So after you incorporate all the eggs, so this is how the butter look like. So it's gonna be stiff, as you can see here. So they're all completely incorporated. So I think we have to stop beating it, and we can start to pipe it. Okay guys? Your oven is preheated for 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So we will pipe now our cream puff, and we'll put it in the baking dish. So I was able to make 24 pieces of cream puff. So we're going to bake it for 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and after 10 minutes we'll reduce the heat into 325 degrees, and we'll bake it again for 20 to 22 minutes. Okay guys, okay, the other things I did is I wet my fingers, and then I just thumped the tip of my cream puff so that I don't see those pointed stuff there on the top. Anyway, if you're not good in piping, don't worry too much, because I myself is not good in piping as well, okay? Yay, the cream puff is already been baked. I can't wait. So I'm going to cool it first in my cooling rack, and then afterwards I'm going to make some whipping cream with cream cheese, okay? 1/2 cup of cream cheese that I'm going to beat and make it more creamier. And then afterwards, I'm going to beat 1 cup of 35% cream and make it into whipping cream, okay? And then we'll combine it together and fold the cream cheese with the whipping cream. For the whipping cream, I'm using a 35% cream, and to that I add 3 tablespoons of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I started from low speed and then worked my way into high speed, okay guys? So once my whipped cream is already been steeped, so I'm going to fold my cream cheese with my whipped cream, and then I'm going to use it as the fillings for our cream puff. Okay, let's do the filling. So I'm cutting the top of my cream puff. As you can see here, it's hollow. So your cream puff should be hollow inside. So now we're ready to pipe the cream inside. So this is gonna be delicious, guys. I can't wait. Yep. Now is the final touch is to dust it with the icing sugars, and then we're ready to taste it, guys. Here you go, guys. I was able to finish it. So another fun baking today. So I really like it and enjoy baking this cream puff, and I hope you can do as well. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to all the new subscribers on my channel. Thank you so much for all your support, and thank you for all the viewers on my channel. I really appreciate it. So I see you around on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.